Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Rachel, and today we're going to be going over the Biossance Sunshine Kit in collaboration with Reese Witherspoon, who was my girl crush growing up. I love her. I just thought she was so adorable, so sweet, and like the epitome of the all-American girl, Southern belle, so feminine, and her skin, to me, sorry about that, was always goals. Like, she always has the most fresh face, like dewy, natural. She's what the like no makeup look, as far as I'm concerned, is all about. Like, if you think no makeup look, like, you're pretty much thinking of Reese. It's just always really pretty, soft, and feminine, which I feel like this kit is all about. So without further ado, I'm so excited to be reviewing this for you today. I already took the kit out of the sleeve, and when I received this in the mail, I was so excited because I love a good skincare oil. So in the kit, you have a really nice breakdown on the sleeve that comes with it of what is included. So you get a Squalene and Rose Vegan Lip Balm, a Squalene and Vitamin C, rose oil, as well as the Squalene and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, which I'm very excited about because I've been moving more and more towards mineral-based sunscreens. I just think they're a little bit natural and better for the skin. So that's what's included in your little kit. This retails for $79, and you should run, not walk, to pick this up because it is a limited edition. So once these sell out, that's it. I hope they expand the collection because I love Reese and I think she's like the perfect partner for them. So, again, the name of the kit is the Sunshine Kit, which I feel like not only makes sense for the products that are included because they're all about brightening the skin for that really healthy, shiny, dewy skin goal that you're going for, as well as there's like an SPF, so you have your sunshine protection, you have lip protection, you have an oil which is really nourishing and hydrating for the skin, and then I feel like Reese is just basically a ball of sunshine. She's everything light, girly, feminine. So she's the perfect partner for this, and without further ado, let's jump in. As you can tell, I'm excited, so I get super rambly when I'm passionate about something I'm about to dive into. So this is what the kit comes in. You have a really cute, you know, travel makeup bag, which this is so cute and small. Like, if you're doing a little travel, you know, this is perfect to fit not only the 3 products in here, but just like a couple of other things that you want to bring with, or makeup products. So I love when like gift sets come in a bag that you can use over and over again. So it says Biossance with Reese, and again it has that really beautiful, like, sunshiny, ethereal kind of vibe to the bag in a beautiful gold and cream travel case. And then you open it up, it says Biossance, and then you have again a travel bag, and I believe it said that this was a recycled travel bag. Let me see. Yes, it says housed in a recycled vegan polyester bag. So before I get into the products, I just wanted to quickly read what it says. So it says, introducing the Sunshine Kit, an exclusive trio created in partnership with Reese Witherspoon to spread sunshine to your routine and your everyday. Glow from the inside out with Reese's daily healthy skin favorites for unstoppable radiance, housed in a sustainably made travel bag. Sustainably, is that a word? Or am I saying it wrong? Sustainably made travel case. There we go. So these are all Reese's. It says Reese's routine for a healthy glow include these Squalene rich essentials. Now, I wasn't familiar with what Squalene is. I've heard it like so many times, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure like it's a plant-based, like a more gentle form of retinol Let's see if I'm completely off by that. I'm gonna look it up right now, but just in case you're watching and you're like, what the heck is that? I'm gonna double check for us. And then again, this is on the Biossance website. You get like, you know, the package, what it includes. It says curated by Reese, this limited edition trio hydrates, protects, and nourishes for healthy, happy skin. $79, but again, it's available on Afterpay with 4 interest-free payments of $19.75, which is super affordable. Okay, it has the ingredient breakdown for everybody who is curious about the exact ingredient breakdown. The customer reviews are 4.9, so as far as I'm concerned, you don't get much better than that. More about Squalene, just a little bit for your education purposes. So it says the human body produces its own version of Squalene called Squalene, but the amount made and retained decreases as you get older. So Biossance found a way to produce Squalene as safely and effectively as the body does. Their Squalene comes from 100% plant-based renewable sugarcane, then bio-fermented to create a beautiful end result, highly stable, totally sustainable, and eco-friendly. Squalene is the skin's best moisturizer that is suitable for all skin types. And it locks in weight. Here's some of the benefits. Locks in weightless moisture, calms and protects, improves skin elasticity, and balances oil production without clogging pores. Ladies, we need all these things. Okay, without further ado, the fun part, unboxing. Blue, are we gonna have a problem here? Okay, so your products come in here, and honestly, can we just take a moment to appreciate beautiful products? Like, I'm all about it. Obviously, I even dressed for the occasion. I was like, I need a pink top. These are really cute pink products. So you get the Biossance Squalene and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. So this is the full size. It's Reef Safe Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 30, which is a great SPF. And I just wanted to show you the texture. And it's really lightweight. I think this would actually be suitable for you to wear underneath your makeup. Like, you can see it doesn't give me like an oily or greasy residue. It feels just like a lightweight moisturizer. And again, this is a full size and you get SPF 30. And it is a zinc oxide. So mineral formula, I love that. I'm gonna leave my little, I don't know if you can see this anyway. So you get that, and then next up we have the Bioson Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil. This I'm most excited about. I love a good facial oil, and the fact that this has Vitamin C Rose Oil and Squalene, like, I'm all about it. This one is for lightweight hydration plus a brightening firming boost. So again, you have your little dropper. And I think this would be perfect to, I'll probably just wear it alone at nighttime for like moisture, overnight moisture as part of my skin routine. It is, when I tell you, it's so lightweight, like it's almost completely absorbed into my skin. The SPF, by the way, was unscented. This has a really, really light rose scent. And again, I feel like with the level of how light this is, this would actually be perfect to mix into your foundation for a really pretty dewy finish. Or I still think that this is lightweight enough to put on before your foundation if you don't want to mix them. Let it sink into the skin and then apply your foundation on top. I just feel like it will give you that really pretty finish without being like a grease slick. I think that's what I'm gonna love most about this oil, is how lightweight it is. Okay, and then finally we have the Biossance Squalene and Rose Vegan Lip Balm. So this one is for lasting nourishment with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and wakame algae. And just so you can see the finish, I'll actually take off what I have on my lips right now. Okay, so just a little test. You have a clear formula. I don't know if this is going to be like the look of a gloss or just like a thick balm. This one is unscented, so the only thing that appears out of the kit to have a little bit of a scent is the rose oil. Wow, this is actually really pretty. It's not glossy, but you can tell it gives like a healthy sheen to the lips. This is really nice. The only thing I wish it had, which it doesn't say, is sometimes your lips can burn. I wish that this had like an SPF in it. But other than that, it's a really beautiful finish and will definitely come in use this summer. So I think that's it from me, you guys. Let me know if you've tried the kit, if you're loving it. And I think that's it from me today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You can drop them in the comment box below. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.